Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. You know lemons are healthy, right? I often shop at Korean Marts, Costco, and sometimes Whole Foods. I buy lemons at Costco sometimes, but they often give you too much for a good price, so I end up wasting some. I thought about a good way to use them longer and conveniently. I found a great method and wanted to share it in this video. Let's get started. I wash the lemons thoroughly with baking soda water and remove the extra moisture. Roll the lemon firmly with the palm of your hand. This softens the lemon, making it easier to squeeze out the juice. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice out. You need to put some force into it to get all the juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are good for heart health, boosting immunity, weight management, and skincare. Once you've squeezed out all the juice, pour it into an ice tray. I think a slightly smaller ice tray is better than a too big one for use. Freeze it in the freezer for about 6 hours. After 6 hours, once it's all frozen, take it out of the freezer and put it in a container. I ordered this ice tray and container set from Amazon, and it seems to be just the right size for freezing lemons. If you don't have such a container, you can store it in a Ziploc bag. It's best to use it within 6 months when stored in the freezer. Freezing lemon juice makes it convenient to use when making smoothies. I tend to use 1 cube every morning when I drink water and also for cooking, so I end up using them all within a month. You can also drop 2 to 3 lemon ice cubes in a drink, add some honey, and enjoy. By freezing lemon juice this way, you don't have to buy lemons frequently and can conveniently consume lemons for a long time, which I think is really great. How was today's video? Try this method to use lemons conveniently and for a longer period. If you think today's video was useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.